Text clipping, it is not much frequent operation like as a line or polygon clipping. There are the some packages of the graphics which provides the functionality to clip the text in the same. So choice of the text clipping technique is depends on the application and type of the character generation method. So we discuss here three methods: all or none string clipping, all or none character clipping, and text clipping. So there are the varieties of applications which needs the text clipping. We use these three methods. First is the all or none string clipping. So it is the simplest way to perform the text clipping as we use entire text is a display or fully clipped. So the text of deciding the full membership of the text in the clipping window is very simple. So we compare the boundary box of a string with the boundaries of the clipping window. This is the clipping window boundary and this is the box of clipping text. Okay. If this clipping box or this rectangle is covered, text is completely inside the clipping window, then we are consider it. Else we clip it fully. We are not considering this one. So after clipping, we just only see the string 2, not string 1, because it is on the boundary. So we are totally clipped it. Secondly, all or none character clipping. Just clip some character. So this is used a rigid strategy. So it clips the entire text string even if it is only single character is outside the window boundary. In this method, we use only characters of the string which are clipped, which is not completely inside the window. We just remove that. Means here st, here we remove the str. So in this method, individual character is compare again the clipping window boundaries. So before clipping, we were saying that there is a string 1 and string 2 having some character which are outside the window or boundary on boundary. So we are clipping that words or characters. So after clipping, we use clipped character things. So here we clipped str and the remaining thing is ing1 is over here. Then we clip here st, remaining part is ring3 is here. So after clipping, we see the output. Next is the text clipping. Text clipping is to clip the part of the character which is outside the clipping window, which is outside the clipping window. So in this case, we used or we decide a part of the character which is visible. So character are generated using the bitmap technique. It's a clip in the different way. So in this method, if that string is a completely inside the windows, then we are stick it or we use it. If it is a partially outside, then we reject only the portion of the string which is being outside. So if it is the character is on the boundary, then we discard only that portion of the character which is outside the clipping window. In before all or none, we don't used or we don't consider the boundary on boundary value characters. But here in the text clipping, we consider that boundary also. So here we use in before we was discard str, but here we only discard the st. Here we only discard the s. Remaining is the tring. So if the character is on the boundary of the clipping window, then we discard, but portion of the character which is outside the clipping window. Okay, this is the text clipping.